Hi everyone, in today's episode, we will be making oat porridge with veggies. So for this recipe, we will be needing 1.5 cups of steel cut oats, and then water. So we'll be adding 45 cups of water for this. We'll also be adding this roasted chicken paste. So this will be about 2 teaspoons of this, just to add some flavor to the porridge. We will also be needing chopped onion and minced garlic. Using our Instant Pot, we'll be choosing our porridge option and set the timer for 6 minutes. Once the timer is off, we will be adding our mixed vegetables, some seasonings such as salt and pepper, and also dried chives. If the porridge is too thick for you, you may add 1/2 to 1 cup of water. Give it a good stir, and then close back the lid. Let it simmer for 4 more minutes by choosing the saute option and setting it for 4 minutes. And our porridge is done. You may top it with mushrooms, shredded chicken, or hard-boiled eggs. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe.